The free vibration of the railway bogie is an important area. That's why suspension system is used to improve the ride comfort of the passengers. Fiat bogies are used in LHB coaches. It is a two-axle type and two-stage suspension system. This suspension provides a better journey for the passengers. To maintain a smooth and safe journey, an anti-roll bar is used in the LHB bogie. It is a part of the secondary suspension system. Today, in this video, we will learn about the anti-roll bar system. It is located under the bolster and between the side bogie frame. The complete anti-roll bar assembly consists of torsion bar, links, levers, and support bearings. The anti-roll bar is connected with the bolster beam, with the help of link bars, and rests on the brackets connected with the frame. Let's see how it works. The anti-roll bar helps to reduce body roll when a train is running. Do you know the body roll? I am sharing through this graphic. See, the coach is attached with the bolster, and the bolster is supported by the secondary suspension. Here the secondary suspension system is used on the side frame. When the secondary suspension works, the anti-roll bar maintains both sides equal movement by the links. Because the links are connected to both sides of the floating bolster, and the suspension moves at the same motion. One more time friends, please watch carefully how the links are working. In this way, the anti-roll bar controls the rolling motion of the coach body. Hope you understand the point. Friends, if you watching first time, click the notification and also help us to share this video. Thank you. Let's grow up. Never stop your learning.